Hey friends, here I have created a welding machine from spotter welding machine from a microwave transformer. So what I have done here, I have made two connectors, one for spotter welding adapter and another for arc welding or spark welding to attach the cable. So we have two terminals, one on each side, left and right, a ventilation fan for cooling the transformer when it is on continuous usage. That will keep my transformer cool and I can keep working for much more longer time. So that's something still pending. I have to attach some connectors, some power buttons, fuse, and etc. And of course a spark for the spotter welding, a momentary switch to create the spark. Right now it's manual, but I'll be incorporating that and I'll be updating this video with completed system, quick connect and quick disconnect type attachment. So I can just push it and twist it. That goes one connection, and the same with another, and just twist it, and that's it. We're good to go for the spark. Let me now connect this to the power and we'll go from there. Okay, all right, so now the power is on. I can hear a little vibration here. Get a firm base, so I use this box here to keep it firm, my test object, and moment of truth. Let me try this for the first time, and that's one spot. I can try making another, and there you go, two spots. And as you can see, this is a little heated up, but I can use plier to just hold this one real quick and try to test the connection. And you can see here, this is pretty hard, but it came off after a lot of pulling. So this looks good. I think this is pierced now, so I believe this is a good connection. Let me try with another piece. Let's try once again with the washer again and see how that goes. All right, now second, or I would say third test object. Try 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. And there are total 4 spots. Wow, that's hot. Let me disconnect the transformer so it doesn't get warmed up. And there you go. Let's try the connection. Okay, that's a lot of pulling, but we can clearly see the nickel plate where the spark was made has torn off. So it made holes in the plate. So I would say that's pretty good connection when it goes to metal. So that's it guys. I will add up more updates when I'm ready with more enhancement to this module. Thank you for watching.